UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here let's swipe to the left, choose System, Apps, tap Settings, and here let's find and select here the security. Choose here the clear credentials, it's under credential storage, and if you would like to remove all certificates, let's just simply tap OK. That's it, you just clear all credentials on the following device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.